Hi everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Tuesday, June the 23rd, 2020. We have only one regular Sudoku. It's a medium Sudoku. So let's get started. All right. We have an 8 in the last column, an 8 in that column. So in the column between, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there, but I see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here, 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row, so in the first row, the only two places for the 8 here or there, I see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 8. Let me think. How about the number 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the middle column, the only place for the 2 should be there. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 6. We see here 6. No 6 in these 3 boxes. There 6. No 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row. 6 in the middle row. So the row above. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. I see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 6, but I see in the last row, 5 missing numbers, and one of the missing numbers is a 6. We see here 6, no 6 there, here also 6, no 6 there. The only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here or there. I see here 6, no 6 there, here also a 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 6, yes. How about the number 5 in this big square? 4 missing numbers, one of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. There are 5, no 5 in that box. 1 box left for the 5 should be here. In this big square, 4 missing numbers, one of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 in that box. Here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be here. This is 5, alright. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so on the row above. The only place for the 5 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 5 here. How about 3 missing numbers in this big square? The numbers are the 2, the 4, and the 7. I see here a 2 and a 4, so no 2 and a 4 in this box. 1 digit left should be the 7. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 1 and 8, no, 1 and 3. I mark them, those are pairs. How about these 2 numbers, the 2 and the 4, I mark them again, are pairs. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column, so in the column between, the only 2 places for the 4 here or there. I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Yes, in the first column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We see here 2, no 2 in that box. Here 2, no 2 in that box. Here also 2, no 2 in this box. 1 box left for the 2. Should be here. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. And the 8 is missing. 4, 8, and the 9. 4, 8, and the 9. We see here 4 and the 8. So no 4 and the 8 in this box in the first column. So 1 digit left should be the 9. Here we have the 4 and the 8. 4 and the 8. We have an 8 here. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3. No 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The 1 and the 2 are missing. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Yeah. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 5 here or there. I see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. Then 2 numbers left in the last column, the 1 and the 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left. The 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5 and the 6. 5 and the 6. That means 1 box left in this column should be the 7. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 9 and the 3. I cannot fill this yet, 9 and the 3. How about these 2 numbers, 9 and the 3? 9 and the 3, no. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so on the row below. The only 2 places for the 7 here or there. I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 1 box left in this row for the number 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 8 here or there. I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and all the 8s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 4. 9 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 and 3. The 3 is already printed, so no 3 here. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 9 and the 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in this box. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1 and the 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 9. 3 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 numbers in the second row, the missing numbers are the 7 and the 3. 7 and a 3. No, I cannot fill this yet. How about these 2 numbers? The 7 and the 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. these two numbers in this column for the numbers 1 and 6, I believe. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only two places for the 1 is here or there. I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and all the 1s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. And now, 1 number left in this row for the number 2. Now we have a 2 here, so this can be a 2, this should be the 2, this should be the 4, and all the 2s are used. I can see, yes, alright. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 4. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places for the 4, here or there. I see here 4, no 4 there, 4.